Congratulations! You made it to day 5 of the 5-day smoothie challenge. You did it! So for our day 5 smoothie, we're going to make my absolute favorite smoothie, which is this chocolate peanut butter smoothie. My whole family loves this one. This is such a decadent tasting smoothie, but still filled with all the healthy and nourishing ingredients that you've used over the last 5 days. So let's get to making our chocolate peanut butter smoothie. I hope you love this recipe. Make sure if you try it to take a picture, tag me on Instagram at nourish_with_Renata, or just comment on this video and let me know what you love about this recipe or any of the recipes that we've tried during this 5-day smoothie challenge. Okay guys, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can find out whenever a new recipe video comes out from me. Thanks so much for being involved in this 5-day smoothie challenge. I had a blast and I hope that you did too. And see you on the next recipe video. Bye guys!